Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another cooking tutorial. This time we're gonna do something very gourmet, very special. We're gonna do some microwave popcorn. For that we need some microwave popcorn and also a microwave. We first start with the cellophane wrapping, whatever the fuck it is, I don't know what it's called, so we just remove it. We don't need it, we don't eat it. Don't eat it, that's dangerous. If you have a garbage can, you put it in the garbage can. I don't, so I just do this. It's called littering. It's actually illegal in my country, but whatever. You fold it like so, yeah? Practice this a few times before you actually do it. It's quite difficult, yeah? And then you go to the microwave. It's not cleaned. I recommend it this way, just because I'm lazy. Put the thing in the microwave, turn on the microwave, you put it to the highest setting unless it's too high. You have to read the packaging, and on the back of the packaging it usually says something about how high the power is allowed to be. You can see I have 3 power here, and so that's what I'm doing. And then you turn on the thing. And it will make noises and it will fuck with your wireless headphones. So if you want to have kids, don't do what I'm doing, which is having my groin area the closest part to the thing. Okay, so I cut out all the popping because that's the boring part, right? But anyway, it pops, eventually it stops. You should probably turn off the thing as it stops. So once it has popped, it looks kind of like this. Okay, excellent. It's like a bag of popcorn. Now don't be fucking greedy and go eating all this shit right now. Take it, take your bowl, your container, put it in upside down. Don't fucking open it. I know this is intense, but it's important. There's all these fucking fumes. Popcorn, let's call them popcorn fumes, okay? It's essentially what makes the bag smell when you open it, okay? This stuff actually gets stuck in the popcorn if you put it in like this for a little bit. And then your popcorn is gonna be double as flavorful, okay? So do this. I've been making popcorn for years in my life, okay? It's really, like there have been months where I've been doing nothing but making popcorn. So I know what I'm talking about. In this instance, in general now. Now, we have waited for 2 minutes and talked a lot of bullshit. We take the bag, as you can see, let's go close to the camera here. You usually have some kind of indicator, such as here, and here. Hold on, and now the magic, pull. And there it is. And you do it on the other side as well. And then the zoom just goes crazy, and you have popcorn. You kind of pull it to the side, here and here and here. And there we go. Put it in here, and it just keeps coming and coming and coming. Just get it all the fuck out. There you go. You got popcorn. Now, if you know, like me, and you have to do a few practice runs, you know, just be ready. Just always have like just an enormous amount of popcorn ready to go for another try. Also, if you eat a lot of popcorn, this is also helpful. So that's the pro tip for today. Thanks for watching. Hit that fucking subscribe button, press like, comment, as many things. Comment your favorite fucking recipe of popcorn and also other stuff, and I will ignore it. It's amazing. Come to my channel and make me famous.